Welcome again to Budget with Brian. Got two blowers here. These are particularly useful if you haven't got a compressor in the workshop, but more importantly, the portability, because they're battery powered, is where you want to be. Now, let's give you a quick run through the two tools. I've got two tools, by the way, because I'm on a Bosch platform and my friend's on a Makita platform. And we just so happen to have the two tools together so we could see them together, because you wouldn't normally have two blowers, would you? This one's got two position switch, 1 and 2 for blowing. It's on the 18 volt Bosch platform. Not bad price, about £40–50, maybe 16, can't remember now. And this is the Makita. The difference here is that you could actually put a vacuum attachment on here, so it could, instead of blowing, it can suck into the bag. But would you want to put that into your motor? I'm not sure. This one's got a 3-position switch. Of course, it's battery powered again. The Bosch one is lighter, and so on. And we rigged up a little test to see the power and effectiveness of each of these tools. And what you find is that the Makita is more powerful. When you're working with blowers though, how much blow do you want? And the other thing too, how much portability do you want? Because if I can talk about the prices of these, that's one thing. But if you look for a mains powered version, they're 15–20 quid. And provided you've got a mains power plug nearby, of course you've got no compressor in your workshop, why wouldn't you pay £15 or £20? We're going to put a link for all of these products down below at the end of it on the Amazon site. So you can make your comparisons yourself. But just have a look at this. So first of all, I am back here with my my Bosch. I'm going to switch it on and rattle it about and see if I can get the phone to move. And just on the point of moving. If I go to the Makita version and put it on full power, go from the same position or further back even, you can see that when the air is in the right position, it will blow it better than the other one. So there's two. Right, the Makita is a DUB182. As you can see, it's got 3 positions here. But one of the other interesting functions is it's got a variable speed trigger. So in whatever position you set the speed control, you can go from 0 to that maximum speed on the trigger. That's not the case on the Bosch, because on the Bosch it's a switch. And as we said before, 2 switches. This is the Bosch GBL 18 volt -120. And going back to the Makita again, there's adapters for this to extend the pipe, make it a leaf blower. And of course, these kind of things are pretty good in the home environment if you wanted to inflate an airbed, for example. So, there you have the two. Pay your money, take your choice.